That's a foul.
Yeah, so this might be your finished pass. There's still a little bit to
Well, like you say,
hog
I'll
off.
out on it.
So that's your forward and back. That's your feet in, and that hand wheel that Jack's moving faster is your forward and back. We've got a Brown and Sharp vintage magnetic chuck on there, and making the world's nicest washer. So we still need to rebuild the motor on this guy. The bearings are kind of crappy, full of grit. That's the cross. Jack's excited by his new toy. He gets to make shiny washers for everything. Very, very precise wash.
Just got my surface grinder. This is single phase, so it's got a magnetic table. Right? And this is it's a 6x12. Those are thous. These are half thous. But yeah, joiner knives and whatnot, eh? She's a beauty, man. Look at that. Not bad. It's ready to go, completely rebuilt.
That's why I was saying sneak up on it with the horse.
Yeah, I'll learn. Am I turning the right way?
I'll be damned.
Yeah, you're looking at
Fuck me, man. Micro bevel. Micro bevel.
quarter thou adjustments on that.
Micro bevel. Who fucking's gonna buy blades anymore?
Jack.
I win.